Testing, testing. Hello, hello. Ooh. Is my mic peaking the microphone? Hello. Is my voice peaking the microphone? Okay, looks good. Hi, hello. Hi, good morning, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Let's review some more Meta/Facebook coding questions, yeah, from Leetcode. I'm looking at my list of problems to review. Oh, excuse me. Next up is 215. Let's do 215. Leetcode 215. I think I remember this one. Oh, Leetroom's plugin is still here. Given an array nums and an integer k, return the kth largest element in the array. The kth largest. Okay. So we have 1 to 10, right? Pipska says, hi cutie. Hello. Hi Biska, welcome to the stream. Howdy. Return the kth largest element in the array. So if we have elements 1 to 10, the second largest one. Wait, would that be 2 or would that be 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, k will be 2. So they really mean the kth smallest one? Okay, so from the... I see. Makes sense. I think I remember this one. We need a priority queue, right? We keep adding stuff into the array and only keep k stuff in there, I think. Oh wait, hold on. Output is 5. It really is the kth one. So for priority queue, yeah, it will, if we pop from it, it will always remove the smallest one. So if we keep popping until we have k, the last element that we pop out in the end, assuming that we maintain k elements, should be our target. Okay. I remember this. Prior queue integer pq is equal to new priority queue. Biska says, for how long are you in programming? Oh, I've been using Java for 5 years now, I think. Yeah, I don't know how long, at least 5 years. Oh, let me have my Chrome window for a tiny moment while I sign into Leetcode, or else I can't run my answers. But yeah, what about you, Biska? Do you program a lot? Have you been Leetcoding? Okay, I just want a sanity check right now. Is my priority queue instantiated correctly? Okay, it is. Okay, and then for num, int num in nums, we excuse me. How do we add stuff into a priority queue again? Is it add pq.add num system.out.println pq? Just another sanity check. Return 0. Biska says, I finished a 6-hour course of Python and GF script. What? Oh, GD script? I still don't know what that is. But that, so little to do something. Oh, I see, Python. I guess you could make... I don't know. You could maybe make some terminal stuff. Some really simple terminal apps with Python. I don't know what GDSmith... I realize you can't see my screen. I don't know what GDScript is though. GDScript... Oh, Godot? Oh, Godot? Wait, you're learning how to make games. Godot is a game engine. That's so cool. Are you looking to be a game developer? I see, I see. GDScript is similar to Python, huh? Yeah. Do you have a game in mind that you want to make? That's pretty exciting. Java, priority queue. Okay, add peak poll. Imagine they have a size too, right? Okay, apparently it doesn't print out stuff in order. Okay, so every time we exceed size k, we pull from it. If pq.size is greater than k, pq.pull, and in the end you return pq.pull again, because then the kth largest one will be the smallest one. Hey, let's go. Bisca says, I wanted to make games, but I'm even struggling to make a sprite sheet. Oh, a sprite sheet. You mean the sheet that contains all the PNG images of all your characters? I haven't done that before. I mainly made 3D games before in Unity. Setting up characters is hard, even in 3D. Oh, hi Reified. How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Look, I remember priority queues just a bit. Hey. I have no idea how to make this faster though. I think the peer sorting one is faster. I am good, reified. My throat is a little weird today. Maybe because allergies or something. I think I should close the window. Okay, I closed it to 1 inch wide. I still need air circulation though. But yeah, things have been going good. My coding battle with CJ ended... when did it end? Saturday, 2 days ago. It was fun. It actually ended in a draw. We both were able to complete 2 questions. I had a really fast start. CJ was able to complete his in overtime, so we called it a draw. So none of us have to quit our jobs, yay. Not that any of us have jobs. Yeah, I'm also working on a long-form video for this, a edited version to put on YouTube. So hopefully it'll be more palatable and understandable for people who weren't there. Reified says, I finally resolved Saturday's day task. That's big relief for me. Hey, nice. I wonder what the day task is, but it sounds like it was kind of difficult. Reified says, draw, no one win. Nope. Well, technically I won, but we called it a draw. Because he was able to finish his stuff in overtime after the time limit was finished. Yeah, we aren't like super cutthroat or anything. Bisca says, I gotta go sleep. Have a nice stream. Thank you. Sweet dreams, Bisca. Oh, hi, Yosuke, I see you. Official anime boy Sotaru. Hi, chat. Wait, not chat. Hi, Yosuke. I told you you'd win. Well, we called it a draw. Because he was able to finish his stuff in overtime. But I guess technically, if you want, I won. But we'll call it a draw, because I am nice. But hey, Yosuke, how you doing? But yeah, I'm very excited. I'm editing a longer form video to put out. I cut the entire 1 hour, 30-minute thing into like 15 minutes. And also you'll see CJ's side. I asked him to record his side for me so I can edit it. Yeah. Hopefully it will be out by next week, I hope. I don't know. Editing takes time. Oh, also, man, I don't have a graphic for this yet, but I'm also doing another coding battle. Yosuke says, I'm okay, I guess. What about you? You sound chill. Yeah, I guess I do sound kind of relaxed right now. I had a good day yesterday. I actually just started editing the coding battle, and then I went on a nice jog, did some pull-ups at the park. There was a group of random Indian women dressed in traditional garments gathered in front of my driveway for some reason. They were gathered in a circle. I don't know what sort of ritual they were pulling, but they looked pretty harmless, I guess. I guess they were just having fun or something. But yeah, Yosuke, you're doing okay. Why just okay? I'm also going to move on to your next question of Leetcode 88. Leetcode 88, merge sorted array. Wait, why did I struggle on this? It seems like a... Yosuke says, oh, spicy workout pull-up, haha. Revive says, I very like this task. I'm just okay because I'm kind of sad, I don't know why. Oh, you're just kind of sad? And you don't know why? That kind of sucks. I wish you knew why so you can solve it. But that's just human nature, I guess, to be sad sometimes. It's okay. The good times will come. I'm sure of it. Hey, as the famous Bob Ross once said, you can't have light if you don't have dark in your painting, you know? You'll appreciate the light times more if you've seen the dark times. Okay, merge sorted array. You're given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2 sorted in non-decreasing order, aka increasing order, and integers m and n representing the number of elements in nums1 and 2 respectively. Merge 1 and nums2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. The final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be stored inside the array nums1. Oh. Okay, I'm starting to remember. Yeah, we had to do this in 2 paths, right? I couldn't figure out how to do it in place and merge it on M. So it has to be stored inside nums1. Rave. Oh, Yosuke says, thanks, Chet. I gotta go. Have a nice stream. Oh, you too, Yosuke. Have a nice day, too. Rave says, that's my first time. Then I write easily sort algorithm. I think I struggled with this the first time because I didn't realize you had to do it in 2 passes. I tried to do it in place, I think. Okay, so we need a new Okay, let's do a array with result equals new int m plus n. Okay. We need 2 pointers, one pointing to nums1 and nums2. Let's do p1. Very expressive variables, p2 is equal to 0. And while both p1 is less than n minus 1, basically both are inbounds, p2 less than n minus 1. Let's do n1 to symbolize the current number. I'm so good at naming variables. Is equal to nums1 p1. So the smaller one should go into verify says, oh, small liar, that's task I haven't resolved in my account. Yeah. I feel like there's similar ones. Maybe he got confused. Int n2 is equal to nums to p1, p2. Okay, so whichever one is smaller, we add it into the result. If n1 is less than n2, oh wait, we need to keep track of the result I too. Int result I is equal to 0. Result index is equal to n1. Else result index is equal to n2. And then we have to increase the pointers too. So p1 plus plus, and then n2 we increase p2 plus plus. What if these are out of bounds though? Okay, let's print out just what we have first for sanity check. System dot out dot println arrays dot to string result. Okay, what do we expect to have here? Nums1 is this, nums2. It's probably gonna miss one of these at the end, right? So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, I haven't taken care of when things are out of bounds yet. My answer was 1, 2, 3. Oh, is my standard out that? Alright, well that's not good. Well, p1 is less than n minus 1. p2 is less than n minus 2. Oh. Is it because I just need less than sign is sufficient, no need for minus 1. Hey, okay, wait. I got 1, 2, 3, 3 here. Oh, I forgot to increment result I. Result I plus plus. Hey, okay, I got 1, 2, 2, 3. And I'm missing the 5, 6. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So nums 1 exited out of bounds first, that's why. That looks promising, okay. So we take the smaller one, right? So if it's out of bounds, we should just return max int. So the while loop can be changed to either or is in bounds. If p1 is greater than or equal to m, then you return integer dot max value. Otherwise, you return the actual value. So that's if it's out of bounds. Here, if p2 is greater than or equal to n, then you return integer dot max value. Else you return nums to p2, the actual value. Oh, looks like we're printing out the right answer. Okay. Let me check the other test cases too. Okay, looks like it's going good. So all I have to do is copy arrays, the result array into nums1. Do result I is back equal to, I'll just do another int I, start over. Int I is equal to 0, while int I is less than nums1 dot length I plus plus. And then nums1 I is equal to result I hope that works. Hey, let's go. It worked. Let's remove the print statement. We don't need that. Submit that boy. Let's go. It worked. And it beats 100% for some reason. I'll take it. Speaking of 0 milliseconds and 100%, in the coding battle on Saturday, CJ somehow got the same numbers, 0%, 100%, with a O of n solution when the problem asked for a log of n solution. I thought that was so funny. Like, shouldn't your test cases on Leetcode check for that too? He beat all the log n solutions with a O of n solution. How? Are their input sizes just not very big or something? Yeah, if I knew that you could have passed with the O of n solution, I would have done that too. No need to hurt my brain over binary search. Okay, what's next? This was 680? Oh, 88. Let's move on to 680. Today's going by pretty fast. Leetcode 680. Valid palindrome 2. Oh, I remember this. I think this was... How is this an easy question? I disagree. Given a string, return true if the list can be palindrome after deleting at most one character from it. Oh, I remember you were here for this reified. It's the one where they continue a while loop in another different function call. Return true if S can be palindrome after deleting at most one character from it. Okay, so I assume you start from one pointer at the start, one pointer at the end, slowly move them incrementally towards each other. And if you see something that's not the same, you continue, but you skip either one from the left or one from the right. Yeah. And then you call a helper function to continue the while loop in either cases. Okay, it's coming back to me. This was so trippy. Okay. I don't remember exactly how the code goes, but we'll take it one step at a time. 2 pointers, right? One at the start. Int start is equal to 0. Int end is equal to s.length minus 1. Slowly move them together. So while start is not equal to end, while start is less than end, sure, we can stop checking if they're the same, right? It'll be the same character. Character start character is equal to s.get 0. Character end character is equal to s.get. And why did I hardcode 0? It should be start. Okay, so if they're different, start character is not equal to end character. We need a helper function to continue this loop. Oh. I'll just do you continue left. Continue while just skipping the right one. We also need to track if we've already skipped it. We've already made a skip because we only have one chance to do this right. Or no, we don't need to. We just return whatever. If one of these is true, then we return it. Yeah. Turn. And at the end of here, start plus plus and minus minus. And if you were somehow able by some miracle to get through everything, you return true. Okay, I'll just do a hard code return false here. Let's run some sanity checks. Get char at get character at. Wait, is it just character at? I forgot how strings work. Okay, case 1, good. If it's a palindrome, right off the bat, it's true. Right. Okay. This got the right answer, but we didn't do it the right way. It's time to make the ultimate function called loop continuer. We will pass in string as the start, int start, int end, the updated versions of these, and we will continue I feel like we can just continue this, right? Copy this here. We can probably just copy this whole while loop here, but don't give it another chance if it doesn't, if the two characters don't match. Yeah, just straight up return false. And else, if you somehow made it to the end, return true. Okay. So there's two cases. Return loop continuer with string star +1 and or loop continuer s start end -1. Skip either or. I hope this works. Hey, it worked. Let's go. Hey, let's go. We beat it 99% apparently. Very nice. By the way, I'm eating French bread today for breakfast. I can't tell if it's expired or not. It's very hard on the outside, and it's really sour on the inside. Some breads are supposed to be sour though. And it's still okay to eat. When I'm streaming though, I don't really like to eat. I feel like it's kind of distracting. Reified says that's bread with fried egg. Oh no, it's just pure bread, no egg. I guess, I don't know, my mom called it French bread. She's just like, there's French bread on the table. You can have some if you want. So I just call it French bread too. I think she calls it French bread if it's like a long loaf of bread. Like French bread. If it's like a long loaf of bread like this. Yeah. There's like a corner lying on the table, so I just ate that. Hey, baguette? Is this what you call baguette? Or a croissant? Huh, that looks like a baguette. Is baguette a subset of French bread? Baguette versus French bread. Very interesting. What makes them different? It looks the same, but then what's the difference? Baguette will have thicker, crispy crust, and French bread will be a much softer loaf. Oh, it was a baguette then. The outside was pretty tough. It was a baguette. Yeah, the outside is definitely kind of tough. Can you hear me scrape my nail against it? That is hard as heck. It's almost like a pizza crust. Reified says, I'm eating garlic bread now. Oh, garlic bread. Oh, garlic bread. Hey, that's when you cut French or a baguette into thin slices, you add the sauce on it, and then you bake it, right? That's pretty good too. Where did you get it from? Did you make it yourself? Garlic bread. Yeah, you can just spread this on and bake it. It's pretty good. Should we do another question? Let's do 933. You got it from Kazakhstan, Astana City. Kazakhstan. Oh, that's where you're at right now? Kazakhstan. Oh, cool. You're currently here right now? You're in the Middle East, I guess, ish. Very cool. Oh, you guys speak English here? Or maybe a second language? Main language. Oh, do you speak Kazakh? Yeah. Wait, what time is it in Kazakhstan right now? Current time. Whoa, it's late. 9:48 p.m. Oh, you're a foreigner? Oh. You're just traveling, I guess? Or are you there in the long run? Leetcode 933. Number of recent calls. Long run. Oh, very cool. Wait, did I record down the wrong problem? I've never done this problem before. Is it 973? Is my handwriting that bad? Is it 953? 953. It's supposed to be a priority queue problem. No, wait. Did I write down the wrong problem? The 973? Oh, right, here. This is the one I was struggling on. K closest points to origin. Given an array of points where points I is equal to xy, represent a point on the xy plane and an integer k, return the k closest points to the origin. The distance between 2 points on the xy plane is right Pythagorean theorem. Don't take the square root because it's expensive, and it's all relatively the same size anyways. You may return the answer in any order. The answer is guaranteed to be unique, except for the order that it is in. Yeah, priority queue, right? We sort based on based on non-square rooted Pythagorean theorem. Okay, priority queue. I want to store just the index integer. Reified says we can try another approach. For example, just sort. Oh, just sort. That's true. Do we want to just sort? Sure, let's sort for the sake of exercise. Do we have arrays.sort? Arrays.sort. Java. We have arrays.sort. Okay. Arrays.sort points and the comparator about comparing points. It's another integer list, right? So array, we sort by array we want to do a helper function, right, of Pythag. Sure. We shall make our ultimate function Pythag, which will pass in a int array of point, and you return 0 times int 0. Wait, it's supposed to be called point. Yeah, point. I see your message reified. Plus 0.1 times 0.1. Okay, let's do just a sanity check. Println arrays.toString. It's not going to print out very prettily, right? If I just do points. I want to do just a sanity check to make sure this is printing out the right thing. Or sorting correctly. Private, int Pythag. Yeah, it doesn't print out very prettily. So for point in points, print it out. Point arrays.toString reified as array toString or something like that. Yeah. Okay. So we have 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay, that's correct. We sorted it right. 9 plus 9, 18. 16 plus 4 is 20. Yeah, okay. 25 plus 1, 26. Okay, yeah, I think we're sorting it right. So we would return the first two. Here we would return the first one. Okay. Things are going well right now. So then we return result is equal to a new, it's supposed to be a 2D array that we return. Result is equal to new 2D array with length k with size 2 for int I is equal to 0 and I is less than k, I guess. I plus plus. Okay. Result I is equal to points I. Is that how it works? And then we return result. I hope that works. Hey, let's go. It beats 5%. Oh, let's remove our print statements. And it beats 20%. Cool. Priority queue is still probably faster, right? The question is, which approach is faster? I think priority queue might be faster, right? I forgot actually. Let's try it. I want to practice priority queues too. Let's do priority queue. I want to just show the index, so let's do integer dq is equal to new priority queue. How do you spell queue again? The same comparator here. Okay. So we keep adding. I don't think we can pull stuff out, right? Because we need the bottom k smallest elements. Okay. Okay, for int point. I think we can make pq more faster if we remove k plus 1 element. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But as it is right now, it doesn't. If we pull stuff, if we call pull, doesn't it remove the smallest elements? We don't want that, right? It only keeps the biggest, the furthest elements. Unless, maybe if we sort it by... Maybe if we sort it by the opposite of that? Okay, you know what? Let's get it working with sorting by smallest first. And then maybe we can think about reversing it later. For int point in points, pq dot add point. Result is equal to pq dot pull return result. Integer cannot be converted to Pythag array. Oh, I see. We're passing an integer here. Let's do I for index. And then we'll pass in points, I guess. Index. Points. Point is equal to points at the index. Okay, and return this. Reify says, what if make max priority queue and remove each k plus 1 head? How do we make a max priority queue though? We can look that up later. I want to try getting it to work with just a regular priority queue. To add, int I is equal to 0, while I is less than points. Points dot length I plus plus. Up to you, that's just a crazy idea. Okay. Result I is equal to points pq.pull. Because we need to return the actual. Hey, let's go. Did it just get slower? Well, the numbers don't lie. Okay, Java, how to make max priority queue. Use custom comparator so that it returns largest elements. How do you reverse a comparator? How to reverse comparator. Comparator dot reverse order. Okay. Dot reversed. Can we do this? Does that actually work? Let me just sanity check compile this. Oh. I'll take this outside. Comparing so it's here. Object cannot be converted to an int. Let's check all time. Oh wait. Oop. Oh. Yeah, it's slightly slower actually. I keep accidentally going back. how do you reverse a comparator? Dot reversed? Wait, what does comparator comparing return? Comparator comparing Java. So it returns comparable. Comparing. It returns a comparator. Lambda only have one argument, I guess. Object cannot be converted to int. Integer? Hold on, but it worked previously. Pythag method can receive only 1 point. No, you can pass in other stuff, right? This is the entire lambda. I'm mapping it to a whole nother function. See, it works like this. Java, how to reverse a comparator. Huh. Can you not do this? Comparator.reverse order. Comparator.reverse order. Dot reversed. So dot comparing is here. Dot reversed. I feel like that's what they're doing. Comparator.reverse comparator. Okay, let's try that. This is getting complicated. Let's do comparator. Pythag. Comparator is equal to this. Okay, and then we'll do comparator.reversed. Wait, again? It worked previously though. Why does it not work here? Line 8. 2. What? It worked by itself though. Why does it not work here? That reversed. Comparator dot reversed. Also another comparator. Should I actually do private int pythag, but just take one parameter, int index? What about if I try casting it? Int is not a functional interface. What? Comparing int? Left, right, integer compare right, O. Man, that feels really long though. Sure. I'm literally copying what you wrote. Oh. Dumb way but robust. Sure, let's try this. Comparing left, right, comma, left 0 times left 0 plus right 0 times, wait, I made a mistake, left 1 times left 1. I think it will be put on PQ constructor. Okay. Ho 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 ho. It is so long. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. comparing Is it comparing int? Oh, comparing can be removed. Oh, we just pass in the peer function. Okay. We have an extra parenthesis somewhere. Array required but integer found. Say what? Oh, okay. We can pass in an int, right? Lowell says, don't you think you're doomed to be a VTuber, therefore never becoming real? Wait, what does that mean? Virtual engineer, though? Hey, look, it worked. Don't you think you're doomed to be a VTuber, therefore never becoming real? Virtual engineer, though? Wait, what do you mean by that? Wow, are you saying I'll never get a job? Hey, that's mean. Int point in points pq.add point. So if pq.size, I'm saying the real challenge is leaving either. Really? The real challenge is leaving either? Oh. Like you're saying I don't want to continue this? That's an interesting point. pq.full. It's not either? Oh. That's actually really interesting that you say that. This is actually not my first VTubing account. So previously while I was working, I actually had another VTubing account. I VTubed and worked at the same time. Like, I VTubed in the morning, twice a week. And then I go to work when work time comes, normally. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm job hunting again, so I have time to VTube every day. Yeah, I think it's a balancing thing. Oh, you can just set it to pq.poll. Oh my goodness. %. Yeah, reducing the PQ size does help, right? Moment of truth. It worked, reified. Yeah, I didn't know you could just pass in like a lambda into a priority queue. And then you do int.compare, huh? And then reverse the left and right. That's pretty cool. Either is the world of spiritual beings. What does that mean? Okay, I'm gonna make a note of this. I didn't know you can just pass in a lambda into a priority queue. Pass lambda into PQ. It's not. Either is the world of spiritual beings. Not as good as I'd like, but better. Huh. I'm still not sure I understand. Sorry. You mean I'll always want more? What problem am I solving right now? Oh, k closest point to origin. Or if I'd help me set up a max party queue. So we always remove the largest ones and keep the k smallest ones in the party queue, and then we just pull everything into a array in the end. Yeah, comparators are hard. I agree. Okay, how many questions did we do today? Did we do like 4 or 5? Probably 4. Okay. Oh. We went through over half of the questions that I wanted to go over from the meta Facebook questions that gave me trouble. We got through all of our starred questions too, the ones that gave me a lot of trouble. Force of habit. Right. I think I'm gonna call it a day today. Yeah, I think we got a lot of review done today. We got like 4 or 5 questions done, and then we did several versions of the same questions for a couple of the problems. Yeah, this was good. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks, Lowell. Thanks, Reified. See you tomorrow. Bye. Have a nice day. Thanks, Reified. Bye-bye, Lowell.